Hi, welcome. This video I explain about the arc. Arc is a object that is a incomplete 360 degree of a circle. Okay, so incomplete 360 degree of a circle in the sense. So just draw a circle. This is a circle. Here I just break some of the points in between a circle, and that is considered as a arc. Okay, this is a arc. Okay, so based on that, you can use a circle for the purpose, or else you can use a arc. If you're well versed in arc, then you go with the arc, or else you can first draw a circle. From that, you can trim the unwanted area, that is unwanted uh, objects. From that, you can obtain a arc. Okay, so this is the method to obtain an arc. So, for drawing an arc, there are different methods available, that is the start, center, end, angle and length, and start, end, angle, direction, radius, and center, start, end, angle, length, and continue method. Okay, so I just draw each and every method by simple methods. So this is the 3-point arc. Now I choose a 3-point arc. In a 3-point arc, the first point is this one, and the second point is this one, and that's the third point. Okay, you can get the arc. And the next one is start, center and end. Start, center and the end. This is the start point, and center point is this one, center point, and end point is this one. Or else if you want to switch the direction of this arc, just press a control and hold. Automatically you will get the opposite direction of the arc. Okay, so the default value is this one, or else you can go start point change method. That is the start point change method, in the sense you can start here and center point here, and automatically the direction of the arc is changed. Okay, so this is the method. Suppose if you start here, but if you want the arc direction is different, opposite to this one is, then you just hold and press and hold the control button. Okay, this is the start point, and this one is the center point. Again the arc goes on this direction. For that you just press and hold the control button, and automatically the arc changes its direction. Okay, so this is the procedure. And next to that, start, center, angle in the sense, so this is the start point and this is the center point. Angle in the sense, you can give the angle based on your requirement. Suppose 45 degree is your required angle is, then it is a 45 degree. From that you can identify, and this is the center point and this is the angle end point. If you find, or if you measure that included angle, then it gives the 45 degree. Okay, so this is the 45 degree arc. The same way you can go for the length and start, center, angle. Start, center, angle in the sense, and this is the start and this is the center and angle. Okay, and angle is somewhat, that is 30 degree is my angle, then you will get the arc like this. Okay, 30 degree in the sense, this is also a 30 degree, that is the included angle. The included angle is 30 degree. So next to that, start, end, and also a direction. So this is the start and this is the end, and you can change the direction. Okay, so you can use this direction value based on the drawing. So here I go in this direction. Oh God, it takes more time. Okay, this is the direction, so it is a off circle. And next to that, center, start, end. Center, start, end in the sense, and this is the center point and this is the start point and this is my end point. Okay, I just change its direction, so this is the end point. Okay, so based on the entity that is nearly available, it goes to the, and it reaches to the end point. Next to that, the continuous one. Continuous one in the sense, the last point of a arc. So this is the last point of an arc, and this is the, and this is the last point of mine. Again you press enter and automatically it starts where you left in the last point, and this is the last point. Again press double enter and it's like that. Okay, so the continue in the sense the last point of an arc is starting point of the next arc, starting point of a next arc. Okay, so these are the methods of drawing an arc. You can modify the property of an arc by using these three tabs. Okay, by layer color, by weight, and by type of a line. So these are the options available in an arc. Okay, so different types of arcs are available. You can use these kinds of arc for your purpose. So I hope you understand well. If you have any doubts, give your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video and thank you.